Roger.
As agricultural and biological engineers, we are often asked to provide solutions to problems most people probably don't know exist. Take this project in particular, underwater water control structure inspection, so the preventive maintenance could be completed if necessary. Before we could even get in the water to do that, we needed to also categorize the risks associated with conducting investigation in these environments. You see, we are putting our divers into the headwaters of the Everglades, and here in the Everglades, there are animals that can eat you. Our divers have learned to be vigilant. They use one eye to check for cracking and spalling, delamination, and scour, while the other is on the lookout for alligators, snakes, and other hazards.
Currently we have more than 200 producers that are working with us to retrofit a center pivot. What we're doing is replacing regulators and nozzles to ensure that they can apply water to the crops in the most uniform manner. As of today, we have helped save more than 10 million gallons per day of groundwater. We should be able to reduce their water use by about 30%, reduce their nutrient loading by about 40%, and most importantly even reduce their energy use by about 60% because they can use a smaller power pump and a smaller well to supply that water. The projects you've already seen, they culminate here by increasing water conservation, which will allow greater flow in the aquifer, and also those practices allow for improved water quality.
What we're looking at behind us is the L8 reservoir pump station. What's remarkable about this pump station foundation is that they've dewatered the foundation down to -53, so they're about 53 feet below sea level. The pump station is going to have a capacity of about 450 CFS, and it'll pump water out of the L8 reservoir into the L8 canal for use for Everglades restoration. What this project is going to provide is an equalized flow of water to the stormwater treatment areas. The stormwater treatment areas remove nutrients from agricultural runoff. So this water will help during the dry season to moderate the water level in the stormwater treatment areas and provide like a uniform supply of water, which aids with the uptake of nutrients in the stormwater treatment areas.
My teams at the Magic Kingdom and Epcot are responsible for guest and cast safety so that all of our guests and casts go home having magical experiences and memories. One of the exciting things that my team gets to work on is they get to help our construction partners make sure that they are doing work safely and have all of the safety measures in place before we start that work. So as you can see behind me, there's some work going on at Cinderella's Castle where there are cranes and there are aerial work platforms. And if you look very closely, you can see that the folks that are doing that work are tied off with fall protection harnesses and lanyards so that they are safe while they're doing the work up high on the turrets of Cinderella's Castle.